Welcome back to my channel. It has been a while now, and today I have the TRIFONE T Fashion, which I'll be unboxing and reviewing. It's priced around the higher Alpha 3.1, which I reviewed 3 months ago. So this is the TRIFONE T Fashion. It looks quite nice at the box. I mean, you can see the phone at the front, some of the specifications at the back, and at the sides also say some of the features. So yeah, that's for the box. It's not so simple, but it's nice to see. Unboxing it was smooth. At first, we have the phone itself wrapped in a Ziploc bag. I think it's to prevent it from damaging or scratching. Then we have a foam layer, which once removed reveals the accessories. We have a power brick. We have a USB cable, a micro USB cable. Yeah, it's a micro USB. And also, surprisingly, we got some headphones, which shouldn't be included at this price point, but if they include it, it's okay. I know the sound quality won't be good. There is a warranty card and also a quick start guide. Nice to see those. I mean, the warranty card especially, because you get warranty for a $40 phone. So this is the TRIFONE T Fashion. I'll just power it on right now before we get right into it. So right from the start, you can tell that the TRIFONE T Fashion is more modern. It looks more value for your buck compared to the higher Alpha A1. We'll get into the juice of this. So the back have some textured designs along with the camera, which looks like a iPhone X setup. And then we have our notch also, that looks quite like the iOS notch. So this is a 480 by 960p screen, which is not the sharpest, but for the price, this is one of the best. I'm actually generally impressed with the screen so far. The notch looks good for the price. It looks quite modern and it has that nice modern vibe on the screen. This runs Android 8 Oreo Go Edition, which is a optimized version, which I'm totally fine with it. And in fact, I'm happy that they give this Go Edition because this phone only has 1 gig of RAM. There it is, 1 gig of RAM and 16 gigs of storage, but you can add an SD card up to 64 gigs. So this phone is quite good. I mean, the display generally is better than the higher, that's for sure. But when you zoom in as YouTube, it doesn't go up to the notch. And you're packing a 5 megapixel camera and a 0.3 megapixel depth sensor, which is useless. The 5 megapixel camera shoots okay photos and it's, I'll say, generally okay. The front 2 megapixel camera was bad, but I'm not gonna complain. It's there and you can use it. So the security options, there's no fingerprint, there's no face unlock, they just start with patterns. Now time for the gaming role. So Subway Surfers, it runs well and smooth. Brawl Stars, yeah, you can start to see that sometimes you occasionally lag. And I'm impressed that it can run a car simulator. That's really something that a phone at this price point can't do. So yeah, this is my overall first-hand impressions of the TRIFONE T Fashion. I'll be putting my SIM into it and will drop a full comprehensive review in a week of this phone. So please remember to subscribe so you'll not miss that out. And once again, thanks for watching and I'll catch y'all in the next one.